レギュラーコーン。
レギュラーコーン。
はい、
はい、ありがとうございます。
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by.
So you can already see my Asian goal.
The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, be together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, we'll be together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
So far we've been eating all the tourist spots and now pretty heavy protein stuff, right? Seafood and everything, high class, expensive, and now you're broke for lunch. So now let's eat something that's more local. Here is a very strange place. You saw me walking into City Hall. Like, what am I doing in a City Hall as a tourist in Sapporo? Well, this is the well-kept secret. The City Hall underground dining hall or cafeteria. This place offer is affordability. Things are affordable, delicious, and packed with, again, local ingredients. So all those you've seen here, all the samples there, either like a soba noodle set, a rice bowl, keishoku, they're all under 700 yen. You cannot find this price anywhere else in Sapporo City. So ordering is pretty straightforward. You know, whatever you like, use the machine, choose it, and pay the machine. You can use digital payment as well, but I happen to have some coin with me, and I want to just use it up.
I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
So what I order here is a very plain, simple salt ramen bowl. It has all the regular ingredients, a regular ramen paste, some bamboo shoot, scallion, meat, and an egg. So plain, simple for just 500 yen. And in today's exchange rate, this bowl of ramen is just about $3.30. Definitely under $3.50. Well, bon appetit. Let's try it out. Even though it is very low priced, the quality is there. I like the shell because it's plain. I think it is a chicken-based soup or chicken bone broth. I love how relaxed the atmosphere is, and this isn't a tourist spot. It's where the locals come for a good, affordable meal. It's packed during lunchtime, so if you want to beat the crowd, try to come early. One of the coolest thing about this cafeteria is that you can sit by these windows and enjoy the view of the Japanese garden. It is so peaceful here, which is hard to believe where you are in the middle of Sapporo's busy city hall. If you're in Sapporo and looking for a budget-friendly local experience, the City Hall Underground Cafeteria should be on your list. You get fresh, local food, an authentic atmosphere, and a great view for all a price that won't break the bank. This is what time is it? Right now it's 12 and they will actually open at 11. If you want to book the premium tour, you gotta be here early enough. Right now at 12 they're already fully booked of the premium tour, which you get to taste several different beer at the end. But anyway, so right now it's just gonna be free roam looking. Well, let's take a look. Here at the Sapporo Beer Museum. Even though I didn't book the premium tour, which includes some of the explanation, but it's all in Japanese anyway, right? Who want to listen to beer when you have beer at the end of the tour that's waiting for you, right? Anyhow, so let's try some beer. This is a beer tasting combo. We want you to finish it in 30 minutes, so it's not a whole lot. Like what, like 8 ounce, 6 ounce, but they have 3 black label. This is supposed to be Sapporo's best-selling product since 1977 of its release. Perfect balance of a balmy flavor and a crisp aftertaste, long-lasting and refreshing drinkability from the first sip to the last. Black label. Now, I'm not a big beer fan, and I don't drink a lot of beer, but it is interesting, very refreshing actually, really refreshing, not just like as what it says there. So I just realized I didn't record it on my on my machine, on my Osmo 3. We're at a point that we already finished most of it. Again, I like the black label classic, like the US one, and the Kaitakushi beer made from the original one is very rich. Like I said, it's more German beer, like they learned from the German brewer, so it has that a heavier European beer or German beer influence to it. That concludes my beer. On my other camera, I was recording since I began. It's been like 11 minutes or something. I never drink beer so fast. In like about 10 minutes, I'm done with all 3. So you can already see my Asian glow. um, they get you really good because after you drink, you get a little loose, and then they set up this museum shop for you to spend more money. Yeah, I really didn't expect I spent more than I expect at the Sapporo Beer Museum. Now they also have a restaurant, which starting at 5 in the evening, they have this all you can eat and drink at a set amount of time. Where they're, of course, they're gonna serve Sapporo beer and some grilled meat and all these. It's 5,000 yen. I wouldn't say it's very very cheap, but it is all you can eat meat and alcohol and drink alcohol. So it is I think it's a fair deal if you stick around Sapporo long enough. So I did grab some black label, like really tiny little can. They're so cute. So those are not tax free, so I'm gonna consume it for the rest of my duration in Hokkaido, and I did get some souvenir which is tax free, which as long as you buy 5,500 yen or above, you can do tax free. I got a t-shirt and I got 2 boxes of some type of Sapporo limited beer, limited sweet dessert. Anyway, so that's my tour of the Sapporo Beer Museum, and it's worth a visit. I don't think I can say any more things. Let's take a break here. There are many places you can get ice cream in Hokkaido, so you don't have to get it at the station. This is near the north exit. For 450 yen, you get such a big vanilla cone or cup or waffle cone. Doesn't matter, they're all the same price. Very rich and creamy. Again, Hokkaido is known for its milk and milk product. If you're into cheese, definitely try some cheese. And milk, definitely drink some. Ice cream as well. Creamy, strong milk flavor. This is my first ice cream during this trip, so we'll see how it compared to something later, like I'll try. Definitely one of the best soft serve I've ever had. So they've also got this sangria, also get the vending machine here in Sapporo JL station. So if you don't have the time to walk all the way or travel all the way to the main store, this is definitely a place for alternative.
チケットが北海道レールパスの7日間で今日から22日まで使えます。
はい。
これがメインのチケットです。
はい。
で指定席の切符がまず札幌から函館まで
それ今
2
日。
時でいいんですもんね。
はいはいはい。
今日の2時45分、
はい
5号車10番の D 席です。
はい。
できるので。
There's something about a train ride that feels almost therapeutic. Watching the world pass by, the views, the mountains, the little towns, it gives you time to think, to reflect. As I leave Sapporo behind, I can't help but feel grateful for the moments I've experienced there. From the buzzing streets of Nijo Seafood Market to the comforting warmth of a salt ramen bowl, Sapporo reminded me how much joy can be found in the little things. Late night walks, a sip of freshly brewed beer, the laughter of locals at the Nijo fish market, it all comes together to create memories that linger far longer than the trip itself. Now as I head to Hakodate, there's a sense of excitement for what's ahead. Another city, another chapter to explore. So here's to the road ahead, filled with new discoveries. I guess it's time to dig in, but